Hey YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Got a 66 Mustang for you today. It has a 289. It's been bored out a little bit. I think it's like 304 or 306 now. Relatively old school setup. Still have your clutch fan and coil and all the stuff that makes these 70s street machines cool. The hood still has its latch here, but he also has some hood pins. Let me get it started for you. Interior's real clean, black leather. This color is black cherry if you can't tell, and it has a matte black vinyl on the hood.
I'm your number one.
We'll walk around it so you can hear it. We'll take it for a spin. Listen to Doja Cat together, and then you'll be able to find it on i95muscle.com. Our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channels are all I-95 Muscle. Follow us everywhere you can. I get new cars up every week for you guys. He has disc brakes on the front. Sorry, Doja. Tack hooked up here. All the other gauges work. We could hit wipers real quick. Oh, squirter even works. Nice. And wipers. All the lights, blinkers, keys all work on this car. There's your 4-speed diagram. Reverse is down low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's kill our parking brake here. More or less Doja Cat. Let's go. Clutch feels good. Steering feels good. We'll make sure it's tracking straight on the steer and the brakes. Horn works. It's pretty straight. We'll try some brakes. Steering wheel didn't go anywhere on the brakes. Nice and straight. Doing a little construction out here for our new joint tenants. We're going to be selling some golf carts. So they're getting their office and building built. Power feels good. Brakes feel good. Steering feels good. I like this car. Try to get in the rest of the gears here. Second, third. Speedometer works. Nice. Let's try fourth. Not really going fast enough for fourth, but want to make sure it works. It works. We're just idling at like 30 miles per hour. Cool deal. We'll park this one outside for the day. It's one of our only days in June that isn't calling for rain. So why not show off a nice black cherry Mustang? Parking it on a hill, so I'm gonna leave it in reverse and brake out. All right, we'll do one more sweep of the outside here. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments.